So friends, we are here at Government Grant Medical College. We have taken a session for medical college students. Did you all like the session? Can I have a thumbs up?
So on behalf of Grant Medical College and JJ Group of Hospitals, I welcome the members of Master G, this NGO who's here with their entire team. Please welcome them. They have flashed their happiness guaranteed. Who says so these days? Is there anyone who says happiness guaranteed? I don't think so. We are doing so many things for happiness. Everything is for happiness. That eventually one day somewhere we will catch that butterfly. But somehow it seems to be very elusive, and we are still in search of that happiness. Not just happiness, I think it's more of inner peace.
As you know, I'm Vedanti Kapuri from Mumbai. I've been into life coaching since the past 8 years, and life coaching मेरी life में इसलिए आई because समझना था कि what was happiness, समझना था कि what was peace. ये बाहर की evolution में मिलने वाली है कि कहीं और ही मिलने वाली है. And each one of us has bumped into this exquisite human being called Master G at different points in our lives. मेरी खोज start हुई थी 2017 में, deeply when I became a life coach also. And then I met this amazing human being who actually explained and made me understand and experience happiness in ways ये दुनिया आपको नहीं experience करा सकती, to be very honest with you. So today what we are going to do is take you on a journey where आप लोग सब एक visible entity के साथ काम करते हो, right? It's the body. But what we are going to introduce you is to the invisible, which is your energy. The energy that makes you look, the energy that makes you hear, touch, taste, feel. There's an energy that runs through you. और जब तक आप अपने life में वो energy के साथ अपनी journey start नहीं करेंगे, no matter where you are academically, you will never ever be able to have a successful life, because the outer world is created to yield out of you. It's just designed that way. But where to create your balances, how to put a full stop, is something we want to give to you of what we've learned from Master G. Before we go ahead, I would like for you to see a small AV on who Master G is and what he's doing all across the globe today to bring happiness in human beings' lives.
Master G recently shared the stage with the President and the Vice President of India.
Mind is the consciousness of where you are and where you're surrounded with. ठीक है? And this consciousness is basically a huge space of energy, right? Consciousness has no shape. Correct? So basically, your mind is an energy field of thoughts, feelings, ideas, emotions. Doctors, scientists, brain को पढ़ सकते हैं, but mind, वो जो energy field है, वो हर इंसान का अलग है. All of you in this room will be taking notice to different things. No two minds are the same. Okay? So happiness basically is your inner state of peace and well-being that do not depend upon circumstances. And aren't we all slaves to our circumstances? कि इसने ये अच्छा बोला तो मेरे को वैलिडेशन मिल गई, आई एम ग्रेट, और इसने अगर मुझे बुरा बोला तो मुझे मेड मी फील इंसल्टेड, सो आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ, एंड वी ऑल आर कॉट इन दैट. So today let's learn something from 50-50 perspective. Half we will let the outer world lead us, but half start your inner journey of understanding that happiness is your own creation. It has nothing to do with the outside. So this journey that we are going on today, the journey from visible to invisible. Visible is the bodies you guys take care of, and invisible is the energy behind it. Now, medical professionals are considered to be the right hand of God. Isn't that so beautiful? Now let's understand the game of life that we all are playing. Unfortunately, हमारे schools, हमारे colleges, हमारे academics में ये बहुत deeply हमें penetrate करके सिखाया नहीं गया था कि inner world actually है क्या. Outer world is wealth, career, family, relationships, social media, traveling, leisure activities. अब हमको ये सब दिख रहा है हमारे sense से, right? We can experience this with our senses. But are these all only giving you peace, positivity, happiness, stable mind, helping you forgive, empathy, compassion? I don't think so. I think this all indulgence also creates a state of war within you. It creates a little disturbance within you. So what we need to understand is that the inner world didn't have much to do with the outer world. As it's a state of mind, it's a state of being, it's a state of how you train your own energy. And we have not been taught to train our own energy and put out in the world to yield. So जो भी हम आज देंगे, try to take in how much ever you can so you can create your own balance. Because takers have no boundaries, so givers need to know them. Okay, this can be in your relationship, this can be in your family, this could be workspace, and boundary is more internal, and I'm not going to let this disturb me beyond the point. So how do we spend our inner energy? How are we spending that on a daily basis? The truth is that none of us are so mindful that every day we would wake up and actually realize that there is an intelligence that flows through us that is making us see. There's an intelligence that is making us hear. There's an intelligence that's making us touch, smell. We feel we are doing it, right? Because the world keeps you in that bubble of energy, in the bubble of knowledge कि आप कर रहे हो सब तो आप ही को करना है. But हम आज वो energy को reveal करने आए हैं जिसके वजह से आज आप यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, जिसके वजह से आप अपनी ड्रीम्स पूरी कर पा रहे हैं. Okay, so whatever we are going to touch upon is your inner self, and this is the truth of every human being sitting in this room. This is the truth of every human being in the world. This is the commonality we hold, and we have very grantedly taken the journey into becoming someone and some things without understanding and respecting that energy that flows within you.
अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी.